Come on, Betty. Alright, put it on the back of your head. It's one on the back of your head. Ready? Stay there, right there. I know. There it is. Big graze there. I think that's where you hit the ground. Pretty sure you hit the ground there. There you go. Any more? You're doing good. Show me any more. I know there's definitely one on that side. Oh, you got some fight in you. I'm so glad. I can hear some pigeons. We'll see if they will come, pick you up and put you back in the nest. We'll have a crack at that. Want to say hi to the camera? Hello, camera. We're over here. Hi. Hello. Sorry you had such a shit time. Hopefully. You never know. You look good in a cupcake thing though.